Hello students, this is Yashadhari. In this video, we know about the transformation process. How the transformation will be done in a computer graphics. Okay, let's start. In last video, we discussed about the translation of a process in the transformation, right? In this video, we are focusing on a scaling. What is a scaling? A scaling is in the transformation is the one of the operation which object is changed in the form of a size. Either increase the object size or you can decrease the object size. So how we have to represent that in the matrix of a scaling? How we have to represent? A P is having a original and S factor. That is a parameter which are used to denote the a scaling factor of a x and y coordinates. And P dash we know about it's a change of original one, right? So this is how we have to represent the matrix. How we have to represent with the matrix by 2 by 2 we will see in next slide. Okay. So a transformation maps a point xy, that is a P of xy, in one coordinate system to a points x dash y dash in the another coordinate system. Nothing but we get perform the transformation in the form of a scaling. Then we have to use a scaling factor s of x comma s of y. S is represent the scaling. Okay. So we discussing here the scaling operation. As I said, it is either we can change in the form of a size, we can increase or decrease the a given polygon, or you can say image or object. Okay, where so the image is transferred in a new size, maybe in the increasing order, or you can decrease that size of the point. That is P of xy is the original, transforms into a scaling form where P dash x dash y dash is the changed one, where s of x s of y is the size parameters of our xy coordinates. Okay, here this is example. Starting we have this size of a triangle or polygon have given, then we want change, means we are increased here the size of original one, that is with the s of x s of y coordinates. Okay, so how with the example we need see how we have to solve this problem, or we can change the form of a size. Okay, we need to represent the above transformation in the matrix, right? The how to done this one, the matrix will be present point to point transformation. Okay, so here original and change coordinates with the identity matrix. In translation also we are using same thing, but parameters are changed here. Here P is your original and S parameter is for scaling. We have to multiply with the a changed one, means we have to take the xy is the original one, s of x and x of y are the scaling parameters. We have to multiply with the original of a xy, means we have to change, then we are multiply. Here simply concept is there to have to multiply with the scaling parameters. Okay, so this is a x1 y1 is your change one, s of x s of y is a scaling parameter. You have to multiply with this with the identity matrix into of your original xy parameters. After getting multiply with the identity matrix, we get the s of x s of y into of our original xy. Okay, so here the example we are taken, scale the polygon with the coordinates A has a 2, 5, B is a 7, 10, C is a 10, 2 by 2 units in a x direction. Focus on this. We changing the 2 units in the direction of x, means s of x is given is a 2 and 3 units in a y direction, that is s of y is given as a 3. Okay, so we have to write down the parameters first. Given is a 2, 5, s coordinates is 2 comma 3, right? Then what is the A dash? A dash, how we have to get the matrix here? We first, A dash means that is a changed one, and original A is given 2 comma 5. We have to multiply with the identity matrix and multiply with the a scaling of a x and y, right? It's a 2D, that's why we are taking two parameters, that is a x and y coordinates. So what we get? 2 5 for the identity matrix and your A parameters value, multiply with your scaling parameter. And what is we got the A dash as a 4 comma 15, means here 2 into 2 is a 4, 5 into 3 is a 15. This is a matrix multiplication for this, and this is your a given A, B, C coordinates. We formed the given parameters make a triangle of this one. Okay. So the figure shows the A, B, C coordinates make the a triangle. Okay. We have to implement using the x as s of x is 2 and x of y is 3. So next we want to find out the b dash as well. So given is 7 comma 10, s of x is 2, 3 and b dash. What is a b dash now? How to calculate this one? To represent in a matrix 7, 10 into 1 into 1 and 2 comma 3. That is a matrix. So what we get as a b dash is a 14 and 30. How we will get this one? It's a matrix multiplication. You have to simply multiply with the two parameters. 7 into 2, 14. 10 into 3 is 30. Okay. And similarly, we have to get the C dash as well. We have to calculate the C dash as well. So what we get the answer? 20 and 6. So this is a, we get the all the A, B, C dash values 4, 15, 14, 30 and 20, 60. And how the scaling is happened? This is your original one, right? This figure gives the original, these coordinates. Okay. By using a 2 unit in x of x, 3 unit in a y direction, and what how it is formed? It's giving the this triangle as your scaling. So this is a simple one and easily to. With the example, we can easily solve the matrix. First, we have to multiply. Remember one thing here, we have to multiplying the p dash with the scaling parameters. Okay. In translation, we are adding the translated coordinates, right? So here we have to multiply. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay. So in next video, we discuss about a rotation. We will see in a next video. Thank you.